Welcome. In this video, we are going to be discussing how to expand two brackets. I'm going to use this example to illustrate the expansion of two brackets. In our previous video, we talked about expanding one bracket and an expression and one bracket. That's, for example, x into x plus 3, and we are going to apply that concept. So part A, we have x plus 2 into x plus 8. Now, it means that whatever term we have in this bracket over here has to multiply every term in this bracket. So I will put arrows once again to help me see. So I have x multiplying that, so meaning that this will be equal to x into x plus 8. So that's that x multiplying the second bracket. And I'll also have this term here. Please note I am taking it with the sign in front of it, multiplying the second bracket too. So this would be a plus 2 into x plus 8. Now, when I achieve this step, I can use the concept that we covered in the previous video, where we had to multiply a single term and a term in the bracket that has either a plus or minus. So my answer will look like this. So once again in here, this will multiply both of them, so that I have x squared, that's x times x, and then x times 8, this is 8x, and then likewise in this bracket I will have 2 multiplying the x and 2 multiplying the 8. So this will be plus 2x, then 2 times 8 plus 16. Now from this step I need to collect like terms. Those two are like terms. They both have a power of x, which is 1. So my final answer would be x squared plus 10x plus 16. My result is a quadratic equation. Let's look at the second example. That is part B. The part B in this question is p minus 4 into a bracket of 2p plus 9. So like from earlier, each term from this is going to multiply the bracket. Each term from the first bracket will multiply the second bracket. That is p into 2p plus 9. And then this time I have a negative 4. Once again, note that I'm writing it with the sign in front of it. So that's minus 4 into 2p plus 9. So on expanding this, I have 2p squared plus 9p minus 4 times 2 is 8p. And then this is a negative 4 times 9. And that's a 36. This is a minus 36. So I will collect like terms once again over here. That is a 9p minus 8p, and that's going to give me a single p. So I have 2p squared plus p minus 36. And my last part of the question, that's part C, is negative 2y minus 5 into 7y minus 6. You need to take good note of the negatives in here. So I have 2y multiplying that bracket. So my expression is going to be negative 2y. It has a negative in front of it. That's why I'm writing it as negative 2y. This is 7y minus 6. Then I have negative 5 multiplying that bracket also. So this would be a minus 5 into 7y minus 6. So here the 2y will multiply each term. You need to take good note of the negatives. So I have negative 2 times 7. This is a negative 14y squared. Then I have negative 2 times negative 6. That's a positive. So I'll have 12y. Then likewise, negative 5 will multiply both of the terms in here, so that I have negative 5 times 7. That's a negative 35y. And negative 5 times negative 6, that's a positive 30. So I need to collect like terms over here once again. That is a 12 minus 35. That gives us a negative 23. So my final answer is negative 14y squared minus 23y plus 30. So once again, you expand the brackets. Remember, you take the negatives. A negative times a positive is a negative, whereas a negative times a negative is a positive.